Dell XPS, faulty touchpad, the screw removals. It's a star type of screw. It's not standard. Just comes off very easy. So now we need to remove the battery. Normally you pull this and the battery comes out very firmly. You don't want to damage this cable bits here. Be careful. Okay, there are some screws. I will need a smaller head screwdriver. This one on one side. There's one here. One's there. And one over here. Oh no, the battery just lifts off. Can that as well. So what we'll do, we'll just take this cable out. You can lift this Wi-Fi antenna cable, remove that, and should be simple enough just to push it out, put the new one in. These legs needs to be on the top, and that's it. You just put the screws back in and you should be good to go.